All right, so now let's go on to the next one. All right, I want you to pause the video and try this one on your own. All right, we're going to start by finding the vertex. So our negative b over 2a. So negative b over 2a. What's b? Negative 4. A is 1, so 4 over 2 is 2. And then how do you find your y value? You plug in to find the y value. So let's see, we have 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 3. What's that? That's 7, negative 1. Okay, so 2, negative 1. Now we have to find the roots by factoring. So we're going to factor x squared minus 4x plus 3. So x squared minus 4x plus 3. We're going to factor and solve that. So how do you factor this? We're multiplying to 3, combining to negative 4. The only thing that multiplies to 3 is 1 and 3. But we want it to be negative, so make them both negative. So x minus 1, x minus 3 equals 0. We solve. X minus 1 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Add 1 and add 3 to solve. Don't mess with the signs. A lot of students are keeping the sign the same accidentally. Their work is right and then they solve wrong. All right, so our roots, we factor and solve, are 1 and 3. So I'm going to come back over here. My roots are 1 and 3. X equals 3. And then finally state the y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is where the x is 0, just like the roots are where the y is 0. When you look at the equation, what's the y-intercept? It's just 3. This is 0, this is 0, you're left with 3. Okay. So we're going to plot those 4 points. We have 2, negative 1. We have the roots 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and then 0, 3. Right. So here's our parabola. And that's it. Done. This is actually my favorite method. Sadly, this doesn't work. It's kind of hard to come up with examples. Like, I only have so many examples I can come up with for you guys. All right, last one. Again, pause the video and try it on your own. All right, so we're going to do our negative b over 2a. Do it up here. Negative b over 2a. What's b? Minus 2. And a is 1. So that's 2 over 2 equals 1. So the vertex is 1, comma. And then I have to plug the 1 in to find the y value. 1 squared, 2 times 1 minus 8 is negative 9. So I have 1, negative 9. Find the roots by factoring. So I'm going to factor my equation. X squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. How do you factor that? That's an MC chart. We're multiplying to negative 8, combining to negative 2. That's 1 times 8, 2 times 4. We need a negative. This is negative, so my bigger number is negative. Negative 7, negative 2. So I get 2 and minus 4. X plus 2. X minus 4 equals 0. And then set them equal to 0 to solve. To solve, over here I'm subtracting 2. And over here I'm adding 4. Okay. So those are my roots. Oopsies. So I'm going to write those over here. X equals negative 2 and x equals 4. And then finally it says state the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where x is 0, 0, 0, negative 8. Okay. So we plot those 4 points. The vertex, 1, negative 9. The roots are negative 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my y-intercept is negative 8. That side. And again, try to make it as curvy and nice as you can. And that's it. We're done. So practice. So this is using everything we've learned pretty much this year to graph. Have a fabulous day.